Imagine starting your day with energy and purpose, ready to conquer your goals and achieve success. In this video, we will explore morning routines and rituals that can boost your productivity and set you up for a successful day. Our morning routine begins the moment we wake up, so let's start by setting an intention for the day ahead. One powerful habit is to begin with a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation to clear your mind and focus your thoughts. Next, it's time to fuel our bodies with a healthy breakfast that provides the energy we need to tackle the day. Exercise is a crucial component of a successful morning routine, as it not only energizes our bodies, but also sharpens the mind. Making time for gratitude before starting your day can help shift your mindset to one of positivity and abundance. Implementing a consistent morning routine allows you to prioritize tasks and set clear goals for the day. Creating a to-do list or using a productivity app can help you stay organized and make the most of your time. Another effective habit is to tackle the most challenging or important task first thing in the morning. Taking regular breaks throughout your morning to stretch or engage in a mini mindfulness practice helps maintain focus and productivity. Sipping a cup of coffee or tea can be a ritual that signals the start of your productive day. Managing distractions, such as turning off notifications, can help you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked. Creating a clean and organized workspace is essential for minimizing distractions and maintaining focus. Listening to inspirational podcasts or motivational talks can set a positive tone for your day and spark new ideas. It's crucial to prioritize self-care in our morning routines, whether it's taking a relaxing bath, reading a book, or practicing yoga. Setting specific goals and intentions for the day can keep you motivated and help you stay on track. Don't forget to take a few moments to visualize your success and manifest your goals. Remember to check in with yourself regularly and adjust your morning routine based on what works best for you. Having a consistent wake-up time helps establish a healthy sleep routine and ensures you start your day on the right foot. Starting your morning with positive affirmations can set a confident and optimistic tone for the day ahead. Journaling is an excellent habit to incorporate into your morning routine, allowing you to reflect and set intentions. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up can rehydrate your body and kickstart your metabolism. Avoid the temptation to dive into emails and social media right away, as it can derail your focus and productivity. Adding a quick workout or stretching routine to your morning can boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. Preparing your clothes and essentials the night before can save you time and reduce morning stress. Consider incorporating a gratitude practice into your morning routine by jotting down things you are grateful for. Experiment with different rituals and activities to find what resonates with you and energizes you for the day. Remember, a successful morning routine is all about consistency and finding what works for you. Celebrate your wins, big or small, at the end of each day to cultivate a positive mindset and maintain motivation. As you wind down your day, prioritize relaxation and self-care to ensure a restful night's sleep and set yourself up for success the next morning. So, why wait? Start implementing these morning routines and rituals today to unlock your full potential and achieve success. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing, and keep inviting abundance into your life. Like and subscribe for more life-altering insights.